Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I'll show you how you can make money by simply copying and pasting video. As you can see in my screen, one of this video have earned up to $116, and lots of people are doing this in order to make money by either posting their own videos or by just copying and pasting videos into this special platform that is called Rumble. And I'll show you everything in a step-by-step process, so watch this video till the end to know how you can also start to do it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, do like this video, and if you have any question, do ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So this is a platform that is called Rumble. You can simply type rumble.com, and firstly you need to make an account on Rumble. So simply click on sign in, and then you can simply sign in with Google. Okay, so now you need to sign up. Let's wait for some time. So now you can fill this info. Let's make a username and tick mark this and click on finish. So congratulations, you have registered as a Rumble creator. Now we need to check our email for the activation link. Okay, so here is please activate your account. Let's click on it and click here to activate your account. So now our account is activated. So let's cancel it, and also let's cut it. So now after you reach here, simply click on this Rumble and then scroll below, okay, and you'll see a section that is called viral. You can simply click on it, and you can see there are lots of videos that are short and sweet, but they are on some amount of dollar at here. And if you keep on scrolling below, and you can see there are lots of videos that have earned some dollar at here. Okay, you can see here up to $116, and there are lots of other videos that have earned more also. So now what you need to do is you need to find an interesting video here. Okay, so let's say parrot helps owner prepare tea. So this is not so interesting. So that's a puppy adorably confused by slice of lime. Okay, so confused puppy, that can be a title. Okay, so on that kind of title you can source from here and then go to YouTube. Let's click on YouTube. Puppy adorably confused by slice of lime. So confused puppy funny. You can type this kind of thing by getting an idea on already earning videos. Okay, like you can see husky meets newborn baby. Okay, husky dog meets newborn baby, that kind of term you can search at here. Okay, so let's first search confused puppy funny, and then click on here. Okay, it's important, and click on Creative Commons. So there are just 4 views, 10 views. So I think my internet is little bit slow. Scroll. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so this can be an interesting video. Okay, or this may be an interesting video and thumbnail. Okay, let's check this all. Now here is another husky meets newborn. Okay, husky meets newborn. You can type now husky meets newborn baby, and let's click on this filter again, and in Creative Commons, husky and baby grow together. So cute. Dog meets baby for the first time. These are shorts. So let's see, finish dog, male husky, baby and husky deep dive. So let's search for an interesting video. So if you don't find in these, then baby gets emotional. Hilarious footage, sum of parenthood. Did you know the phrase over and out? Product. Lazy dog humorously gets woken up for walk. Lazy dog funny. You can type lazy dog funny. So I'm giving you idea on what type of search term you can search on YouTube and find some Creative Commons video, so that you can copy it from YouTube and upload it to Rumble in order to make money. So let's click on Creative Commons. So it says funny very large dog. Let's scroll below. Lazy dog playing dead. Funny lazy dog on floor. Funny lazy dog. So okay, take me wherever you want. So okay, so this is just for 9 seconds and seems a little bit interesting. So let's click here and open in new tab. So let's simply pause it. You can watch these videos, okay, so that you can know if that could be good. So it is already interesting. Okay, now what you can do is you can just over your mouse or after this dot, okay, and type as here and enter. So let's wait for some time. And you can download this video easily. Now let's make a folder, lazy dog funny. Okay, and then just so in folder, let's cut it and paste it at here. Okay, and then let's make a title here. Title for this funny lazy dog. Funny lazy dog would be a best title for this video. Let's delete everything that is at the back side. Funny lazy dog. Okay, let's make it capital. So after this much, now you need is a thumbnail. And for thumbnail, what you can do is, let me cut it. So let's click on this video. Pause this video and scroll below. Here you will see the thumbnail, the actual thumbnail of this video. It will appear at here, and you can simply click on view full thumbnail. Now to enable this system, okay, you need to put a Chrome extension that is called vidIQ. What you can do is vidIQ Chrome extension. Just type vidIQ Chrome extension, okay, and scroll below and see this chrome.google.com vidIQ vision for YouTube. Simply click on it, and it is free. Okay, it is free to use. Simply add to Chrome. Okay, simply add to Chrome, and then you can click on here and make this blue. Okay, if it is not blue, it will not appear at here. Make this pin blue and it will appear at here, and then you can sign up to this vidIQ for absolutely free, and you will get all of this functionality. Like here is the thumbnail for this video. You can simply click on view full thumbnail, and you can save image as in desktop. It is lazy funny dog. So let's give it name lazy funny dog, and let's click on save, and then let's got it. Okay, so let this video be opened, okay, because we need some other things like tags. Let's go here and Once you reach here, then you can simply click on this upload or stream live and click on upload video. Now what you can do is click on here and upload this video, funny lazy dog. Let's click on open, and now for thumbnail you can simply click on choose your own. Click on this thumbnail, click on open, and for title, the title we have decided funny lazy dog. Funny lazy dog. And in video description you can write something if you want, okay, like this. In this video you can see a funny lazy dog sliding. Maybe that can be a term, like funny lazy dog sliding. Okay, once you do this much, then you can in here you can see tags, okay, and if you have already installed this vidIQ extension, then you'll see some tags here, okay, like this. What you can do is copy tags to clipboard. Okay, you can simply, so let me see if these are copied. Yeah, already copied. Okay, just click on this and then bring here and paste all of these tags, or if you don't want to put some tags, simply remove some tags, okay, and that's fine. And then click on this upload. Now here's one important thing, okay. Now what you can do is, because we have brought this video from YouTube and it is a Creative Commons video that we can use use it without copyright strikes, like that thing, okay. So but what you need to do is you need to exclude YouTube, okay, and you can see here with the exception of youtube.com, which is specifically excluded, you are selecting Rumble to be your exclusive worldwide perpetual agent for such content. You will receive all net earnings less an agency fee equal to 40% collected in relation to your content. So that means it will show ads, it will show on different platform except YouTube, okay. So for that you can simply select on this, okay, select on this, and in additional information, this is not necessary, but you can add, you can watch this kind of stuffs and watch it, okay, and watch it and feel it if you want, but it's not so important, okay. When selecting video management, you are granting Rumble exclusive right management, okay, it is saying this, okay, in additional information, and you can see who recorded or appear in this video. You can provide this kind of details if you want, but it is not necessary, at least for me, okay. And then you can simply select this too, and once this is done, you can simply click on submit. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Okay, so our video is uploaded to rumble.com. Now it will take some days and some time to be monetized, and you can repeat this process, okay. You can keep on uploading the videos, and now here I am going to reveal some exclusive information. So what we currently did is we took the Creative Commons videos from YouTube and uploaded it to rumble.com. So however, this video is not yours, it is of other people, but they have provided the Creative Commons license, due to which you can use this video, okay. So now what you can do is I'll give a link in the description for this, like you can go to fiverr.com, okay. You can go to fiverr.com, or you can visit the link that I have provided in the description. You will even get some discounts, okay. And YouTube videos, okay, you can search. So here people are making lots of videos YouTube videos, okay, for you. Now what you can do is you can find someone who can create the kind of video that we have provided, okay. And what you can do is you can simply go to Rumble, okay, and let's just click on. So because I'm selecting this viral category, the main reason for this is because this kind of video gets most views, okay. Everybody wants to watch this kind of videos. Like if we are even scrolling to Facebook, then also we if we see some kind of weird video or funny video, we stop and watch that kind of video, okay. So most people are subjected to watch this kind of video. That's why I choose this viral, but you can choose any other categories if you want, okay. So let's say you want something like this video, and you can simply click on it, okay, and then you can simply copy this link, this full link, okay, and send to this people who can create this kind of videos, okay. Like maybe they can create an animated video of similar kind, okay, or if there is any other video that are in animation format, you can watch those kind of videos and send it to these people who can create this kind of video, okay, in Fiverr, and you can upload that video in Rumble, and you can earn from that video, and that would be your own video, okay. You can do that also for long term, and you can even upload that video in YouTube also by starting a channel in order to make money on a consistent basis. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Take care.